How to use Google Calendar app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar easy and fast. So all what you have to do first is download the Google Calendar, of course. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to create, for example, tasks or goals or events is by going here and down here, click on this plus icon. Now right here, as you can see, you will be able to create a goal or reminder or a task or event. All what you have to do is just click like this and choose the goal, for example, exercise, workout, on Steam. As you can see, it's very easy to create anything on this app. Now let's try to create an event. All what you have to do is click here again and click on event. Now as you can see, you can edit everything here. You can add the event name, the time, the people, the video conferencing, location, and after you finish, click save. It's very easy. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.